Kia ora! Voting packs have been sent to all registered Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei members over the age of 18. A voting pack looks like this. Check your letterbox, and if you haven't yet received your pack, please be patient and give it a couple of days, especially our whānau overseas. If in doubt, please get in touch and we'll sort you out as soon as possible. On Sunday, September the 13th, we will be holding the Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei Special General Meeting, also known as the SGM, via Zoom and at Ōrākei Marae. This is fingers crossed there are no COVID-19 restrictions on gatherings. This year, we are proposing the changes to our trust deed for the first time since our settlement in 2011. The intent of these changes is to improve the way the deed works for us and to provide the capacity to deliver on our strategy and plans. The proposed trust deed changes include membership definition and register, loan ratios, electronic nominations, voting, hui and notices, Trust Act 2019 alignment, and minor improvement and administration amendments. You, the whānau, can vote on these changes. Check your voting packs for when voting closes. The results will be announced at the SGM. Whānau, this is a big deal. There are some really important kaupapa in the proposed changes. The most important thing for you to do now is to vote. Today we're going to take a look at what's in the voting pack. In the pack we have a notice of special general meeting, a voting paper, an envelope, a proposed amendment booklet, and finally a postcard with key dates and a beautiful picture of our papakainga. These are the tools to help you make an informed decision when voting. This document is the official notice for the SGM and includes the date, time, venue and agenda of the SGM, as well as some information regarding how you can vote and how many whānau are needed for a quorum for the SGM to go ahead and be valid. So whānau, as well as voting, we also need you to show up to the SGM on Zoom and fingers crossed also at the marae, so long as there are no COVID-19 restrictions on gatherings. And lastly, the 7 resolutions are also stated in this document. The voting paper states the 7 resolutions for you to vote on. Beside each resolution are the words for and against. Before I talk about ticking a box, let's talk again about how you can vote. We are excited that there are 3 ways you can vote. By post, using this voting paper and post-paid envelope, online, using the link on your voting paper, and in person at the special general meeting. Details regarding all 3 voting methods are on this voting paper. As previously stated, you can vote using this voting paper if you are voting by post or in person. To do this, you tick either the for or against box for each resolution, depending on whether you support each resolution or not. So there'll be a total of 7 ticks on this page. If you are voting by post, the next step is to fold the voting paper, put it in the post-paid envelope and post it. When folding, please make sure the address is in the envelope window, like this. This proposed amendments booklet has everything you need to know about the proposed changes to the trust deed. It's a bit of light reading for us all. Yes, it is quite wordy, but it's important that you please read through it so you know exactly what you're voting on. The booklet has information on each of the resolutions. There is a brief explanation giving reason to the proposed amendments, and then it gets into the detail. There are 3 columns. The first column has the heading Clause, which gives you the clause reference in the current trust deed. The next column has the heading Current Wording. This column shows the exact wording in the current trust deed. The final column has the heading Proposed New Wording. This shows what the new wording will be if the resolution is passed. You can read the current trust deed and a marked up version of the trust deed on the Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei website. The last thing in the pack is this postcard, which sets out some important dates regarding voting and whānau information hui in the lead up to the SGM. Put it on your fridge, whānau. After reading through the voting pack, you may have questions or need clarification on something. kei te pai. Please join us at any of the 3 whānau information hui. There are 2 kanohi ki te kanohi hui and also an online webinar. These are the hui to attend to ask your pātai. Lock in these dates, whānau. That whānau is the voting pack. Please have a read through, think about the resolutions and how you want to vote. For more information, visit our website, give us a call or send us an email. Don't forget, the SGM will take place via Zoom and at Ōrākei Marae on Sunday the 13th of September, beginning at 10:30 a.m. I look forward to seeing as many whānau there as possible. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa.